What's up guys, you're watching the CE and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe. And like today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is CE-35287-5 cannot connect to the server. So it's a PSN network error. Simply I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Go to the settings here and login settings. You must check the login settings, your PSN account is logged in or not, management, and the network. You must check the network. Sometime your PlayStation network is not working, a server is down and you're doing maintenance, that's why you're getting the error. And if the server is not working, you just wait, Sony will fix this up automatically. If the server is working up and good, then you set up your own internet connection and use a wired LAN cable or a Wi-Fi. You can change it, the DNS settings, primary, secondary, both, for the better speed. Which one is working good in your country, you just put it back here and set up a new connection. I'm just suggest you use a wired LAN cable and you will get the better speed. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.